Hey, what's up, guys? In this video, we're gonna be doing. See, this man just can't stop laughing.
Nah, fuck that. We gonna keep
but
going.
in this video, we gonna be doing the rapper outfit battle challenge.
Oh yeah.
I had to say that so many times in my head.
I'm Stante.
With him.
Yeah, definitely white inside.
So let's just start.
Fuck it.
All right, so we gonna break it down with them brands instead of doing the individual rappers. So we gonna have like 5 brands: Off-White, Saint Laurent, Human Races, Gucci, and Raf Simons.
Alright, so you're gonna have 5 brands, and you have to pick a special piece from each brand, and basically you're gonna have to pick 2 artists that wore that piece and decide who wore it best, or he gonna decide who wore it best.
Yeah, X is gonna be the judge.
This first piece from the first brand is gonna be Raf Simons.
Yeah,
the I Love New York sweater.
There's my picture. I chose Playboy Cardi. He has the blue one. I didn't even know there was a blue one. I thought there was just a black and white one, but obviously there's a blue one now. Who'd you pick?
I chose ASAP because, you know, I'm pretty sure that was like expected, but like
we tried to keep him off this list, but ASAP Rocky.
Yeah, like that nigga, he could pull off anything. Like
he's a cheating ass.
Like
nigga.
check the belt, honestly. The belt loop chain. Like who else doing that right now?
Nobody. You gotta pick between Cardi. Who wore it better, Cardi or Rocky?
Let's see.
And don't forget this nigga wearing a fur belt.
Exactly. He got a fur belt, the Calvin Klein underwear, and the chain. Playboy Cardi's wearing this with a whole bunch of chains around his neck. One chain. I don't know what kind of jeans those are. I don't know what shoes he's wearing.
I don't know, but Cardi look hard in that jean.
With a white tee underneath.
Yeah. Cardi look hard.
So Cardi?
Yeah.
Alright, so first dub goes to me. I got Cardi. For the next brand, we're doing Off-White. It was
Off-White.
Off-White.
Yeah, he from New York, yo.
Off-White.
AB, sit your ass down.
The Off-White Blazers that dropped back in 2017. So yeah, we're gonna be doing those. See who pulled those off. And here is my picture here. I chose Ian Connor. Even though you can kind of barely tell what his outfit looked like, but I mean,
you got your computer in the frame, bro.
Oh my bad. Who's yours? Dang. Oh,
mine is definitely Wiz Khalifa because he went up shit during his concert, and that nigga feel fly as hell. I don't care what nobody say.
Honestly. All right, X. So who wore it better, the Off-White Blazers, Ian or Wiz?
Got this one.
Yeah, Wiz got it.
Yeah.
Wiz, yeah.
It's a dub.
So Wiz won that second round. All right, so third brand we did Gucci. We did the Gucci hoodie, just the plain
Gucci hoodie,
basically with the 4 Gucci's like around the. Yeah, you know what I'm talking about.
We decided we could do any color, so there ain't no specific color.
All right, so this is my picture. I chose 21 Savage riding a car through Walmart.
Definitely chose Future in the studio.
Basically, X, who wore it better? He got the blue jeans on. I don't know what shoes those are, but they like. He got
khakis.
Yeah,
nigga got the khakis on
with the Vans. I know those are those leather Vans that were in like Pakistan or something. So, like, yeah.
I'd probably have to give this one to Future.
Yeah. Dub.
Not gonna flex. That is pretty hard. I had the hardest time finding a picture like this. The fourth one is Adidas. We did Adidas shoes. We doing the Human Races.
Yeah.
Real Human Races.
Yeah.
And this is the picture I chose.
Yo, he won. This nigga won. I'm sorry.
What?
Yo, if you was rooting for me, I lost. I'm sorry. this nigga won this one.
We don't know who. Like it's a secret of who pictures we chose, so we don't know each other's pictures. Yeah. But I chose Jaden Smith with his Human Races. Took me a minute.
Alright, I chose the game and his Human Races. I think I might have just picked it because it's a nice picture. Cause this nigga really, he not even pulling it off as good as Jaden right now.
Bruh.
I low-key said, alright. Anyways, go ahead, X.
Jaden.
Okay, dang, that was a quick one too. That's 2-2.
Hey, I guess we're tied up, guys.
Heck yeah, this is good. We tied up now. Now for the last brand, our 5th brand, which is Saint Laurent. We did the leather jacket that everybody seems to be wearing. And this is the picture I chose, Mr. Kid Cudi. I was actually going to do ASAP, but I was like, nah. That would have been bad.
I think I might have won this one. I did G-Eazy. Honestly, like G-Eazy shit. That's That's just that nigga, bro. Like, he not even a nigga, but he that nigga, bro. Plus, he just all black. You can't even go wrong with that.
He
Like,
that nigga.
you can't.
He that nigga over Kid Cudi.
And he got multiple. So
He's that nigga over Kid Cudi.
yeah.
Over Kid Cudi.
Yeah. In this case, yeah.
Okay, maybe with clothes, but like in general,
he looked like a 5-year-old. All right. Anyway, X who were better.
Yo, this one would be hard.
Come on, bro.
Alright, I gotta get up on the G-Eazy.
Fuck yeah. Dog.
I'm not even gonna flex. If you didn't choose G-Eazy, you would have been dumb. Because I picked this one off like just random. Kid Cudi, I really don't know.
Yeah, Kid Cudi was the first one I saw, but I was like, he really, like, I can't even
stand behind my own pick.
I couldn't even settle for that one. I was like, we gonna have to keep looking. This is my channel now, cause you know, I took it. I mean, he might have all the videos on it, but this is my channel now.
He took over my channel.
I might as well be a manager.
We should have bet over that. Low-key, cause
yo, matter of fact, you just trying to do these jeans for free?
I wasn't gonna charge.
Oh, bad.
What?
New video coming soon.
I mean,
it's a secret though. Just know it's some jeans, but just know it's gonna be so far.
I guess they gonna be fine. Okay.
Shit, never mind. I don't hype up your work no more. Yo, his work garbage. Don't buy it. Don't buy it. I know he probably be putting the link in the bio and in the description. Yeah, don't click that shit. It's trash.
Okay.
Fuck nigga.
Alright, yeah.
Nah, but I do fuck with the pants. He got the lightning bolt on the pants. That shit hard.
What can I say? Okay, whatever. Okay, we're done with this video. I lost. I lost basically a 3-2. He beat me with the better rappers outfit challenge, so that's it.
And you'll follow me on SoundCloud at Killxavi. You know what I'm saying?
Spell that shit, cause they gonna put a Z.
I'm gonna put it right there. Bro.
All right.
Put it in the link.
And we done.
All right.
I'll probably never see y'all niggas again.